12 symptoms that your kidneys are failing, and 10 tips to keep them alive. Today, we will dive into the complex and fascinating universe of kidney health, exploring not just the symptoms signaling kidney issues, but also unveiling effective ways to prevent these conditions. Imagine feeling constantly fatigued, regardless of how much rest you get, or noticing unexplained swelling in your legs and ankles. These could be early signs that your kidneys, these tireless workers of your body, may not be functioning as they should. But what causes something as critical as our kidneys to start failing? And more intriguingly, how can we identify these signs in time to avoid major complications? During this video, we'll explore these questions through a series of revealing symptoms, from chronic fatigue and changes in urine to changes in appetite and skin. But that's not all. Did you know there are simple yet powerful steps you can take to protect the health of your kidneys and, by extension, your quality of life? Stay with us until the end of this video, where we'll reveal crucial tips for keeping your kidneys healthy and avoiding kidney problems. Now I ask you, what is the real impact of diet and lifestyle on the health of your kidneys? How can you differentiate between common fatigue and that which signals a kidney problem? And finally, what changes can you start implementing today to prevent your kidneys from dying? Let's find out together. Let's get started. Symptom 1. Fatigue and weakness. Fatigue in people with kidney issues is a complex symptom, resulting from a series of interconnected factors. Kidney failure leads to insufficient production of erythropoietin, an essential hormone for the production of red blood cells, causing anemia and, consequently, increasing the sensation of tiredness. Additionally, the inability of the kidneys to efficiently eliminate toxins and fluid retention exacerbate fatigue, making it a constant challenge. Unlike common tiredness, this fatigue is persistent and does not alleviate with rest, significantly affecting people's daily lives. Dealing with this symptom requires understanding its causes and impacts, highlighting the importance of an integrated approach in the treatment of renal patients to improve their quality of life. Symptom 2. Swelling. The manifestation of swelling in the legs and ankles can be an alarming indicator of renal dysfunction, marking a failure in the body's regulation of fluids and sodium due to kidney failure. This symptom, initially more noticeable in the feet and ankles and potentially advancing to the thighs, is a reflection of the kidney's inability to excrete sodium and maintain water balance. The resulting water buildup, aggravated by the loss of proteins in the urine, causes painful edemas and discomfort. This swelling is particularly evident upon waking and worsens throughout the day, highlighting the severity of the renal condition. Progression to fluid retention in areas like the lungs underscores the gravity of the situation, demanding immediate attention to mitigate health risks and improve patient comfort. Symptom 3. Loss of appetite and weight loss. Kidney dysfunction can trigger a series of changes in the body, deeply affecting metabolism and nutrient balance. When the kidneys fail in their functions, there's a change in the levels of chemicals, which can disturb the appetite. Many people experience a decrease in the desire to eat, feel fuller quicker than usual during meals, or develop an aversion to certain types of food. These changes in appetite are not insignificant. They can lead to a noticeable weight loss. This is aggravated by the fact that poor kidney function can also cause poor nutrient absorption, further exacerbating weight loss. This process illustrates how kidney problems can have a comprehensive impact, not just on kidney health, but on the overall physical condition, highlighting the importance of maintaining healthy kidney function for the body's nutritional and metabolic balance. Symptom 4. Changes in urine. When the kidneys fail in their function to filter blood, a significant decrease in urine volume can be observed, a state known as oliguria, which in extreme situations evolves to anuria, characterized by the absence of urine production. These symptoms alert to possible renal insufficiencies. Additionally, changes in urine, such as its foamy texture due to excess proteins and the reddish or pinkish coloration, suggesting the presence of blood, are indicative of kidney issues. These changes warrant immediate medical attention, as they point to conditions that can range from infections to more severe diseases, emphasizing the importance of monitoring kidney health. Symptom 5. Mood and concentration changes. The kidneys are vital organs that help in the removal of chemicals and toxins, influencing substances that affect mood and brain functions. When there's a failure in kidney functioning, this can lead to issues such as depression, anxiety, and difficulties with concentration and memory. These changes in mood and the ability to concentrate are not exclusive to kidney issues and could be indicative of other health conditions. Therefore, it's crucial to seek medical advice for an accurate diagnosis. This guidance is important to ensure that people do not overlook possible warning signs of kidney issues or other conditions, allowing for appropriate medical intervention and, when possible, a more efficient and targeted recovery. If this video is useful for you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. This helps our channel grow and assist more people. Let's move on to the next symptom. Symptom 6. Nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting are symptoms often related to gastrointestinal issues, but can also be indicative of kidney complications. Kidney dysfunction leads to the buildup of toxins and waste in the body, which can disturb the gastrointestinal system. These harmful substances affect the lining of the stomach and intestine, causing a feeling of nausea and episodes of vomiting. Furthermore, kidney issues can cause fluid retention and electrolyte imbalances, such as high levels of potassium in the blood, negatively impacting the functioning of the digestive system. This imbalance can result in stomach discomfort, leading to more nausea and vomiting. It's important to recognize these signs as possible alerts of kidney issues, highlighting the connection between kidney health and gastrointestinal well-being. Recognizing the interconnection between the body's systems can aid in the early identification of kidney issues, allowing for timely intervention. Symptom 7. Lower back pain. Lower back pain, often associated with kidney problems, arises due to the inability of these organs to filter properly waste and excess fluids from the body. When the kidneys fail in this vital function, toxic substances can accumulate, causing inflammation and damage to renal tissues. This process results in continuous pain in the lower back, exactly where the kidneys are located. This pain can affect one or both sides, reflecting the degree of renal affectation. The buildup of toxins due to renal inefficiency leads to this specific discomfort, highlighting the importance of kidneys in the body's detoxification process. Lower back pain, in this context, serves as a warning sign for possible kidney issues, indicating the need for medical evaluation to prevent larger complications arising from renal dysfunction. Symptom 8. High blood pressure. High blood pressure, known as hypertension, is a common condition among individuals with kidney issues, acting both as a cause and a consequence of renal dysfunction. The kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining blood pressure, producing a hormone called renin that regulates this vital aspect. When there's kidney failure, the blood pressure regulation process is affected, leading to sodium and fluid buildup in the body. This increases the volume of circulating blood, raising blood pressure. Moreover, high blood pressure can damage the blood vessels of the kidneys over time, compromising their function to filter blood and eliminate waste. This additional damage can further deteriorate the kidney's ability to function properly, creating a harmful cycle that affects both kidney health and blood pressure. Therefore, understanding the connection between kidney health and blood pressure is fundamental to prevent and treat these interconnected conditions. Symptom 9. Increased urination frequency. One of the notable symptoms of kidney issues is an increased urination frequency, particularly at night, known as nocturia. This symptom may indicate a dysfunction in the kidney's ability to filter and reabsorb water properly, resulting in excessive urine production. This not only disrupts sleep, compromising quality of life, but can also be an early sign of chronic kidney disease, where renal efficiency is declining. Urinary tract infections, often associated with kidney issues, can also lead to an increased need to urinate. Early identification and treatment of these conditions are crucial to prevent the progression of kidney disease and maintain overall health. Symptom 10. Skin changes. Skin changes, including itching and dryness, are telling signs of kidney issues. This happens because, when the kidneys fail to filter and eliminate toxic substances as they should, these wastes, like urea, begin to accumulate in the body. This accumulation not only affects overall health, but also has a direct impact on the skin, causing discomfort and visible changes. The inadequate functioning of the kidneys leads to a difficulty in maintaining the balance of metabolic wastes in the body. And it's this inability that results in the observed skin symptoms, illustrating the importance of the kidneys in filtering and eliminating harmful substances, and how their failure can result in apparent physical symptoms, such as itching and dry skin, highlighting the connection between kidney health and skin well-being. Symptom 11. Difficulty or pain. During urination. Kidney issues can manifest through pain or discomfort during urination, symptoms that are often signs of kidney infection or obstruction of the urinary tract. The presence of kidney stones, for example, can cause obstructions resulting in intense pain during urination. This pain, often sharp and localized, may be accompanied by a burning sensation, indicating also the possibility of an infection. These symptoms not only affect the quality of life, but can also lead to more serious complications if not treated. Early diagnosis and proper management are fundamental to avoid additional kidney damage and alleviate patient discomfort. Symptom 12. Metallic taste in the mouth and bad breath. Kidney dysfunction can lead to the accumulation of toxins in the body, affecting various systems, including taste and oral health. A metallic taste in the mouth, or dysgeusia, along with bad breath, can be a direct reflection of the kidney's inability to filter adequately these toxic substances. High urea in the blood, for example, can be converted into ammonia in the saliva, causing an unpleasant and persistent odor. These symptoms can not only be uncomfortable for the individual, but also signal the need for kidney evaluation. Effective management of these symptoms, along with treating the underlying cause, is vital for improving the patient's quality of life and preventing the progression of kidney diseases. And for those who made it this far, we have a special bonus. I'll show you how to avoid kidney problems. Avoiding kidney problems is crucial for maintaining good overall health. Here are 10 tips to help prevent kidney issues. 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps the kidneys remove waste from your blood in the form of urine. However, avoiding excess is important, as this can overload the kidneys. The ideal amount depends on the climate, your level of physical activity, your overall health, and other factors. 2. Healthy eating. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help reduce the risk of developing kidney problems. Avoid highly processed foods, high in sodium and added sugars. 3. Control substance use. Limiting alcohol consumption and avoiding tobacco use can lower the risk of kidney diseases. Additionally, use medications, including non-prescribed painkillers, like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, only as recommended. 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Overweight or obesity can increase the risk of kidney problems. A combination of healthy eating and regular physical activity can help maintain a healthy weight. 5. Control. Blood pressure. Hypertension is a significant risk factor for kidney diseases. Measures to control blood pressure include maintaining a healthy diet, limiting sodium intake, maintaining a healthy weight, and possibly taking prescribed medications. 6. Manage diabetes. Poorly controlled diabetes can cause damage to the small blood vessels of the kidneys. Controlling blood sugar through diet, exercise, and medication can help protect the kidneys. 7. Get regular checkups. Regular checkups with your doctor can help detect any kidney problem in its early stages, when it is more treatable. 8. Avoid toxic exposures. Some substances, like heavy metals, pesticides, and chemicals, can be harmful to the kidneys. Take precautions when working with these materials. 9. Adequate hydration during physical activities. During intense exercise or in hot environments, it's important to drink enough water to compensate for the loss of fluids through sweat and prevent dehydration. 10. Monitor and treat. Infections. Untreated urinary tract infections can ascend to the kidneys and cause serious problems. Promptly treating these infections can prevent kidney damage. Adopting these practices can not only reduce the risk of developing kidney diseases, but also contribute to better overall health. If you have existing health conditions that can affect the kidneys, like diabetes or high blood pressure, following your doctor's treatment plan and getting regular checkups are important steps to protect your kidney health. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.